In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change scene animations and transitions in Renderforest. First, open your browser and head to www.renderforest.com. Log into your account so you can access your existing work. Once you're on the home page, look to the left panel and click on Projects. This takes you to your saved videos and templates. Find the project you want to update and open it so you're inside the editor. Now switch to the Scenes or Storyboard view. This view lays out your video scene by scene, making it easier to see what you're changing and how it affects the overall flow. Click on a specific scene you'd like to modify. Selecting the scene tells the editor exactly where to apply the change. With your scene highlighted, turn your attention to the left panel of the editor. You're looking for an option labeled Animation, Scene Animation, or Transition. Depending on the template or the interface update you're using, the wording may vary slightly, but you'll find it in this area. Think of scene animation as how elements within that scene move in and out, while transition is the motion that bridges one scene to the next. Click the option you see and browse the available animation styles. You'll typically find subtle, smooth options that feel professional, as well as more dynamic styles for energetic videos. Choose the one that best matches your project's mood and pacing. If you're going for clarity, pick something clean and gentle. If you need impact, try a bolder transition or a more pronounced scene animation. When you're happy with your selection, click Apply. This confirms your choice and updates the scene with the new animation style. You should notice visual indicators in the editor that reflect your change, such as updated thumbnails or motion previews, confirming everything has been set correctly. Keep in mind that applied transitions will be visible across all scenes in your final export. That means the transition style you select will carry through the entire video, ensuring a consistent look and feel from start to finish. Scene animations, on the other hand, are set per scene, so you can mix and match them as needed while maintaining a unified transition style. And that's it. You've gone from opening Renderforest and logging in, to finding your project, entering the storyboard view, selecting a scene, choosing animation or transition, picking a new style, and applying it confidently. With these updates, your video will feel more polished, cohesive, and on brand.